Hi there, I'm Teacher Jim. So glad to have you here. I'd like to tell you about my phonics reading program that teaches all the phonics sounds and complex spellings in logical, structured, and step-by-step lessons. This is the phonics program that I developed and perfected through my 10 years of teaching reading. It's what I use to teach children as young as 2 to 3 years old to read. And it's also what I use to help older, struggling readers to quickly catch up to grade level, often in just 8 to 10 weeks. My phonics program has also helped 51,600 other parents to successfully teach their children to read as well. Our 2 stages of easy-to-follow step-by-step lessons will help your child develop incredible reading skills and transform your child into a super fluent reader. So your child will be reading to learn while other children are still learning to read. Don't just take my word for it. Let me show you what parents and teachers say about my reading program.
From Shante. My child Soraya was bound to fail 2nd grade due to her poor reading. I came across your website and purchased your reading materials. In about 2 weeks, her reading was improving at such a pace, by May, she no longer had to fail 2nd grade due to her achievements in reading. From NB. I would like to share the progress of my children only after 17 days from purchasing your program. My 5-year-old can read, but by memorization and could not decode. I decided to take another approach, teaching my 4-year-old how to read by starting with your program first. I did not want to repeat the same mistakes I imposed on my 5-year-old by memorizing whole sight word approach and to undo the damage I have caused her. Only after 17 days, my 5-year-old is reading fluently and decode words that she comes across that she may not be familiar with. She has also been decoding very well instead of getting frustrated and crying and giving up. She is now reading at a 2nd grade level after being assessed by the Institute of Reading Development, and she hasn't even started the kindergarten school year.